The veggies are almost past being severed by the cold. Things are not perfect. I think I forgot the other ingredients. Forgot to add this during the stir fry. Sorry. Ideally, I should be adding lemongrass here as well. And kaffir lime leaves. I forgot them at home. Wrong order of cooking and missing ingredients. But yet, we managed to prepare this red Thai chicken curry with non-traditional veggies and missing ingredients. See? It doesn't have to be complete. The vegetables are fresh and it's done as simple as possible. So, let's serve it. Please join me at the shed and let's find out how to troubleshoot this Thai dish with chicken and vegetables. Hello, welcome back. Welcome to my shed. Welcome at the garden. We're cooking here today. It's cold, that's why we cannot open this door for more light. The heater is even on. And as you've seen earlier in the intro, I harvested our very last beans. This is not enough, so I'm using kale. Today, I'm not showing you the authentic way of cooking Thai or red Thai curry. How do I say it? Red Thai curry chicken or chicken and red Thai curry. That's a better way to put it. There are occasions when we don't have the authentic ingredients and we have to use what we have. So here, featuring our very last harvest of our beans, it's not enough, very meager and not even in their best. So we're adding kale. By the way, Thai cooking usually calls for tropical ingredients, but we don't have the authentic ingredients and we have to duplicate. This is something I found to be a good duplicate and we have grown them ourselves. Welcome to Romulo's Kitchen and Garden. I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients. There's grocery bought curry paste, red curry, coconut milk or cream. Look, it's even condensing here. This is palm sugar. Let's put it here. Fish sauce, the signature of Thai cooking. Let's put it here. Let's prepare our ingredients. By the way, it's not recommended to add it, but I found it useful or helpful. Why is it recommended? Because garlic is already contained here in the base. I think we can start by prepping our vegetables. Where do we have the best light?
Okay, that's good.
Okay. If you're coming back as a subscriber, you know, last week we had our Pumpun Duck, or this pumpkin day here. It's an open day of the allotment complex. And we had our little fiesta here. They were singing and dancing. There's a link to that video here if you're interested. It was really fun. To the addition, pumpkin. Is this pumpkin or squash? I'm not sure, but let's add this. Some authentic Thai dishes of this sort and squash. Let's do that. It's not in the plan, but we have it. Why not cook it, or why not add it? Oh, boy, it's mature. Didn't expect it. example is because we're using partially grocery bought ingredients like this, the Thai curry paste. It's been in the refrigerator for months and still good. They preserve very well. So what do we do first? Let's do stir fry. Traditionally, according to my Thai colleague, they would boil this. They would boil the coconut milk until it reduces into oil and use that oil to stir fry the ingredients. It's too precious for me because it's cream. So I'll be adding oil in addition to the coconut milk. She also indicated that when cooking chicken for red Thai curry, it's suggested. I think it's even a must because chicken cooks faster to stir fry or stew first the vegetables. Especially here that we have potato and squash, which take longer to cook. Let's add the garlic. Please don't mind the black spot there, this can be thick. And then the hard vegetables. Just add very small water, just to stew it. What inspired me to cook this today is because we still have some fresh basil at the greenhouse. Let's pick it up. As per return, I'll show you the chayotes. I hope they get the time to mature before the first frost. At this point we can add the beets.
More.
Notice that I'm saving at least, or at most, at least 1/3 of the portion of the entire batch to pour it on the dish when it's cooked, to add an even creamier touch and look. I can add the salty flavoring now. What's this? Oh, wait. I think I forgot the other ingredients. Although they're contained here. Don't worry, they're contained here. Oh, I forgot to add this during the stir fry. I really forgot it, sorry. I should have added this during the stir fry. Sorry. Ideally, I should be adding lemongrass here as well. And kaffir lime leaves. I forgot them at home. So the experience is not complete. So acknowledge lemongrass and kaffir lime leaves. Lucky. Let's add the fish sauce. I even forgot. That was the plan, and that's what reminded me to add the curry. Guests have arrived, Alex and our cameraman. Aman and Grace. I'll add this. Ideally, I should have scraped this, or grated it, minced it, but the heat or the steam will do the job. Just add more water. I'm sure it's good. The kale doesn't have to be completely tender. It can be. What was that? It can remain crunchy. Let's add the finishing touch, which is the last portion, last part of the coconut milk. And the basil leaves. Signature of Indo-Chinese cooking. The traces of mint or mint-like flavor. This should be good. I'll turn it off. If you're wondering what's this, it's rice being warm. Yeah. This is what we just cooked. It's not perfect, it's not complete. We forgot something. But this is the experience we have here at the shed. Sometimes it's not complete, but we enjoy whatever is available at the garden and available inside the shed. Okay. Maling Grace is here. Hello, Manang!
Ramanamon.
Di asama, hindi na dyan di camera ni. Kira manang meron. Raman. Utong manang dada, alas na utong.
Las na uto.
Wan.
Ne, umayak agramanti.
Ramadamon.
Uto na nga. Karabasa kan utong kan bulong-bulong.
Amen. Amen nga available. Okay.
Ayun na, nag-game.
Nadama ng mixing ng ingredient.
Yeah.
Lemongrass and pepper leaves.
Nag-game ha?
Mas? See? It doesn't have to be complete.
Yeah,
The
nag-game ha?
vegetables are fresh and it's done as simple as possible. So, mas man tayong mga Let's serve it.